Hello friend, I hope you're doing well. And here 415 plus PSD file of a product mockup. Here mega bundle file for Photoshop. I wanna show you the size of these full files. You see here 29.2 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in parts. You can download easily, but these are protected. First, you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sheri.com, just one-time payment for lifetime access. Okay, you see here all files are high definition and complete in PSD. Here honey jar, you can put your own label on honey jar. Credit card, billboard-street, wall-street. Okay, body wash bottle mockup. Okay, ID card. Here magazine mockup. Open this one in Photoshop. You see here in layer area, here FX design color extract. You see here. Okay, and here. Here background. Extract. Your design here. For example, I open any other photo. Open this one. Control S. And you see our image here on magazine. You can do it. Van mockup, and here vertical business card branding mockup. Here JPG file, and here PSD sticker mockup. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.